Welcome to the Roxy Girls Show, presented by Roxy XOXO 99. All you need is a brush, damp hair, and some ponytails. If you need any products like me, you can use them, but you don't have to. This is what your hair will look like. Okay, so first you're going to take your brush and brush out each side of your hair. This will make your hair easier to work with. Now you're going to take both of your hair ties and put them in a place where you can get them at any time without going too far. Now you're going to take a section of your hair and divide it into 3 little sections. Then you can start braiding. Make sure it's tight from top to bottom. If you're going to be doing a French braid, make sure you do at least 2 or more on each side of your head. Now that you've braided your hair, you should be done, and you should have about 1 inch left. And then you're going to secure your hair tie around the braid. You're going to do the same thing with the other side. Brush it out though. Let's speed up the process, shall we? Secure the hair tie again on each side. Now you can make sure that each side, each ponytail or hair tie is not loose. If it is, fix it. You want this to stay in your hair so you can have your curls or waves. Make sure you do this on each side, because you don't want your braid falling out. And then it'll be messy and you'll have one side done. Now you're ready to go. You can also spray some hairspray or some water. I'm using water in my hairspray to dilute it a little bit. After you've done that, you're good to go. Good luck. Take the braids out after 20 to 30 minutes, if not after you wake up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Watch for more videos coming soon.